I will explain. As CBI has investigated the entire chain from the printer till it is delivered to the center, and how there are checks and balances, sealing, GPS tracking. If there is any tampering, then the GPS immediately sounds alert that there is at some stage at this particular place on this particular date there is a there are digital lockers, locks, etc. I have given that detail. There is a 7-layer security, 7-layer safety features. Which,
and now, what has come on record now? I'm straight away coming to that.
Your Lordship would note, even in the first bracket, that is 700 to 720, there is a remarkable jump. In 2022, 99 students, my lord, fall within.
That goes up to 2321.
And 350 in last year. That is also almost, my lord, there.
Right.
So that keep on happening because many students, my lord, appear, they could not make it, they reappear in the next year. These are the dynamics.
17,64,571 actually appeared.
17 lakh?
17,64,571. Yes, 22. In 24 minutes.
23?
23. Registered is 20,87,462.
Yes. How many appeared?
Appeared is 20,38,596.
And 24?
24 minutes. Registered is 24,06,079.
And appeared?
Appeared is minutes 33,297.
So between 22 and 24, the number who registered has gone up from 18 to 24, which is about, say, 33% increase. And those who appeared increased from 17.64 to 23, again about, say, 33%, 1/3 increase. So as opposed to the increased number of students, about 33% increase, the number in the top echelons has gone up almost by 300%, from 50,000 to 1,40,000.
The increase, I have another.
Really draw a correlation that therefore the examination is
Maybe a better lot also. But there is a reason given by as
according to you, there was a reduction in the syllabus.
No, they have IIT Madras. IIT
disclose in their response that there was a corresponding increase which we have placed on record. There is not a whisper. And just one thing more.
There was an increase in the syllabus.
There's an increase in the syllabus. And neither the IIT Madras is talking. IIT Madras.
How do you demonstrate that there was an increase in the
syllabus? I have a document placed on record. They can't deny it.
Show us that.
I will straight away show it. Just want to show it here. Just one thing. Increase of number of people in the examination in 2021 was 1,78,000. 22 it was 2.2 lakh increase. In 23 2.74 lakh, and 24 the increase is 2,95 lakh. So the increase is almost linear. From
about 33% increase every year.
In terms of lakhs, I'm saying
it's about 1/3. Roughly
1.7 lakh. 2.2 lakh, 2.74 lakh, and now 2.95 lakh. It's almost linear.
15%.
15% at every year. Here, the jump is five-fold. In the number of candidates falling in that category, 77,000. Previous year, the difference was 15,000.
No, but can this by itself be indicated of a leak in the question paper?
No, I would say there is a smoking gun on the blood. It's a red flag.
How do you show that?
May kindly have my supplementary note circulated yesterday. In that marks range, 22 to 23, the increase was 15,000. 23 to 24, in the same marks range, the increase is 77,000.
Mr.
I do it there. I do it there, blood.
You have to have something more concrete.
That's right. I will straight away coming to the to the best part of my submission.
Here is the best part.
Yes, I am straight away coming just
Yes.
after showing that there is an increase in this labor.
Show us that.
Yes, my lord, allow me, my lord, my supplementary submission circulated yesterday.
Nice name. Yes.
This annexure A, page 7. But the following syllabus was increase in the NEET-UG 24 examination topic, increase in biology. My lord, this is the topic added. And then, my lord, on the next page, topics increased in chemistry.
Yeah.
Then, my lord, page 8 is the topics increase in chemistry. My lord, these are the topics added at page 8. And then, my lord, page 9, topics increase in physics. Notified just 5 months before the examination. 18 topics, my lord, in physics, chemistry, and biology. And my lord, surprisingly, the conduct of NTA is that there is not a whisper that this syllabus is not only reduced or deleted part of it, but it is increased also. They should have come clean.
All right. We got it.
Now,
Last time.
let's state away, this honorable court on the last date of hearing directed NTA to identify, first of all, my lord, this honorable court directed that how the paper was set, how it was sent to printing, then how it was sent to the centers. The chain of custody. Now, in the chain of custody, their reply is,
Now you're going to the most important
that's
point.
right, straight up.
So what is the submission now? You just formulate it so
Yes,
that we'll get
the
it.
submission is, their own case is that the questions papers were dispatched for the respective cities on 24th of April 2024. I'm sorry, 24, no. Overall, 24th of April 2024, the papers were dispatched through a reputed courier company, which is a private company in any case. Their name has also come out in everywhere. And it reached the SBI and Canara Bank on 5th of May 2024. 3rd of May, I'm sorry, 3rd of May 2000. It was in rickshaw.
Now, just one clarification. They were sent to the SBI Canara branches in those cities, or what happened? Where were they sent to?
They were sent to the cities.
So wherever that's the total exam, that exam was held in how many cities? 571 centers in 90, how many cities?
571 cities,
4,700
4,750 centers.
centers.
Right, we had said that
Now,
last.
Lord, with regard to the interesting part now comes with,
So these papers were sent to SBI and Can Bank in these 571 cities.
that's right, Lord. This is what they say in their reply.
Each of
on-
these cities had a SBI branch and a Can Bank branch.
Yes, yes.
All right.
And Lord, the dispatch, Lord, may I notice this date?
So they were dispatched on 24/4
74.
and reached on 3rd May.
The receipt is 5th of May 2024. 3rd of May.
3rd.
3rd of May 2024.
So the time gap is about almost 9 days.
Yes, this is one aspect. They have not divulged. Now, please, Lord.
He is referring to Patna.
I'm not referring to Patna. I'm coming to
We are not
Hazaribagh
fighting.
and then Patna. I'm not. That is a separate story.
Hazaribagh.
Hazaribagh.
Papers were sent uniformly on the 24th of April.
It was dispatched on 24th of April 24. I'm sorry, 28th of April to.
But you just said 24th. So was it
No,
date of
no,
this?
with regard to Hazaribagh,
No, one thing we want to know. Let's be clear on facts. Was the dispatch for all centers, all cities on the same day?
Yes, let's from the printing press, but let's destinations are different across the country, including Andaman Nicobar. It takes separate time. So we have.
That you're right. But for the dispatch across the country, did the papers leave the printing press on the same day?
They start leaving it. They start leaving. They start leaving
When?
depending on the distance between 24th April to 28th April. They are dispatched from the printing press.
May I explain that system, my lord, how it starts and how it is received by the center?
So the printing press basically distributed the answer sheets and the question paper.
There are two printing presses because there are two papers.
Right.
One of them is to be chosen.
Right. So the two printing presses started distributing the the question papers between the 24th and the 28th
In different cities.
in different cities.
24 to 3rd May for others with regard to Hazaribagh, 28th to 3rd of May.
For dispatch.
Yes, my lord. Dispatch for Hazaribagh, they say in the affidavit, NT affidavit, my lord, I just want to read, because in deference to my lord's direction, that how it was transported, you specify. They have filed a reply. I want to read one paragraph
Right.
of the my lord, NTA additional reply, page 6. My lord, NTA additional reply. Transportation of question papers to custodians. My lord. I'll just read it and
But I am not
Then-
taking
then
this
demonstrate.
adversarially, this would help you also. Understand the system.
please let me read it and then.
All right. Where is the NTA additional reply page?
My lord, page 6, my lord.
958.
Which deals with NTA additional reply, my lord. This is 10th of July. This is 10th of July, my lord, in Vanchika Yadav affidavit.
Yes.
Lord, may kindly see page 6 bottom. They are talking of Roman 8, transportation of question papers to custodians. Say the sealed trunk was handed over to a reliable All India logistic company for transportation and when dispatched based on distance of examination center across the country. The sealed iron trunks for Hazaribagh, Jharkhand were dispatched on 28th of April 2024. The authorized company loaded the sealed iron trunks into a dedicated closed body vehicle and an electronic lock was put on the door along with one-time seal. The moment of this vehicle was tracked by the logistic company. The truck has also the digital lock with a GPS tracker giving real-time information.